Hello children, welcome you all. This is our science class. This is unit 3, work and energy. This is unit 3, work and energy continuation. The last class we have seen force and work. What is force? A force is a push or pull that moves an object at rest or stop on object in motions. That force can divide into 4 types: frictional force, gravitational force, muscular force and magnetic force. Then what is work? An action in which one exerts a force to move an object is known as work. Today we are going to learn energy. See the picture, children. A man pulls a luggage. To do so, he needs some energy. So, what is the source for the energy? Food. So, food gives energy to humans. The next picture, the car moves by the obtained from the burning of fuel. The escalator moves by using electricity as energy. So in this session we are going to learn energy. Energy is divided as capacity for doing work. Energy must be transferred to an object in order to work. This energy can divide into 6 types. So types of energy. First one, mechanical energy. Second, thermal energy. Third, renewable energy. Fourth, non-renewable energy. Fifth, electrical energy. Sixth, chemical energy. In this lesson, we are going to learn renewable energy and non-renewable energy. First, we are going to see renewable resources. What is renewable energy or renewable resources? Sources means energy. So, renewable sources of energy are replaced naturally over a period of time. We can keep using these sources for a long period of time. Since the beginning of human life, we have been using these resources. We use these resources for light, transport, cooking, heating, and etc. Example, children. So, what is energy? Energy is defined as capacity for doing work. So, if you want to do the work means we need some energy. So, what is the source? Food is the source of energy. And then see, children, conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. Energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? If they ask the questions mean you want to write, the law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. Then the SI unit of energy is joule. It's named after James Joule, who explained about energy. Okay, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children.